Have you forgotten your Oculus Pin? No worries, resetting it is easy. Follow these simple steps to reset your Oculus Pin in just a few minutes. First, open the Meta Quest mobile app on your mobile phone or tablet. Look for the white icon with an elongated O, and tap on it to launch the app. Next, tap on the menu icon, which is located in the lower right corner of the screen. This will display the menu options. From the menu, tap on Settings, which is represented by a green icon with an image of a gear. This will take you to the Settings menu. Now, tap on Account Settings, which is the first option at the top of the menu. It's represented by an icon that looks like a person. This will open the Account Settings menu. To reset your PIN, you'll need to enter your current PIN on the first line. Once you've done that, enter a new numeric PIN that you can remember on the New PIN and Confirm New PIN lines. Finally, tap the Save button, which is represented by a black box below the two lines where you enter your PIN. This will update your PIN and save the changes. That's it. You've successfully reset your Oculus Pin. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.